Hello students, Jai Hind, very good morning. Welcome back. In our last lecture, lecture number 5, we have been discussing regarding various numericals based on mirror formula and magnification, if you can remember. In our lecture number 5, we have only targeted to solve numericals based on concave mirror, that we targeted. Now in today's lecture, dear student, we are going to target, you already have material hard copy, understand, with you. So what we are going to do, and even in last lecture, I have already delivered you homework from material numerical assignment, and I have given you to solve examples number 1, 2, 3 and 4. All 4 examples were based on concave mirror. Okay. Now dear student, what we are doing today, we are going to solve today numericals based on convex mirror. At the same time, we are also going to discuss today how you can be asked numerical or fill in the blanks one line from the value of magnification, that is also given in material. Okay. So dear student, we are starting today's lecture and we are going to solve problems regarding convex mirror. Okay. Today's, as you know, lecture number 6, dear student. Lecture 6, chapter 10. Light, okay, reflection and refraction, reflection and refraction. We haven't yet touched the topic of refraction. Still we are continuing with the topic of reflection of light. Okay, dear student. And in today's lecture, our target is to solve numericals based on convex mirror. See from material. First, I would like to solve numerical number. See if you can verify numerical number 7 and 8. One of that we are going to select today. What is that? We are solving numerical number 7 today. Okay. First, before we discuss numerical 7 here, just you read the numerical, understand, then I will solve it here. What is written in that numerical? Read the data. An object 5 centimeter in length, length means height, dear student, you know very well, is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find the position, nature and size of the image. This is the numerical we are targeting. As you all know, whenever we start solving any numerical, we always first try to assess the given data. What is given? An object of size 5 centimeter is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of convex mirror of focal length or radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find position, nature and size of the image. So dear student, as we do in all example, the first one we always write this way, as per given data. Okay, as per given data, what is given to us? Size of the object has been given 5 centimeter. Size means height, simply speaking that way. So I would like to write object height. What is object height? H is given 5 centimeter. Okay, object height we have written. Now the object is kept at a distance of 20 centimeter. That means I will write object distance. Object distance equal to object distance. What is the symbol? U equal to 20 centimeter. You are also given not focal length but radius of curvature has been given to you. So radius of curvature, that is capital R. What is it given? 30 centimeter. This is the data which is given in the example. Object height is given, object distance is given, radius of curvature is given. What you have to find? Position, nature and size of the image. So dear student, your target are, first you have to find image distance. Okay, first image distance, which we represent by V. Your target to find. Not only you have to find this, dear student, to understand the size of the image height also our target. Image height, that is H dash by symbol, that also we are looking for. This is the data we have listed out here. Our target is to find V and H dash, both are our target. Now dear student, radius of curvature R has been given 30 centimeter. So initially let us do one thing first. Let us utilize that relation between radius of curvature and focal length, and let us find focal length first. Okay, so how can you find focal length? So you all know relation focal length, that is F equal to, you all know, R upon 2. Radius of curvature is 30 upon 2, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, this is the data and this is the required information we have. Now as we are doing, we will write the mirror formula and try to obtain value of V. Okay, so what you will write in exam or when you are solving the sum? Compulsory, dear student, as per, you need to write this. Okay, as per mirror formula, you have to write this. As per mirror formula, let me write mirror formula first. 1 upon U plus 1 upon V equals to 1 upon F. Let us substitute the values. Okay, what is given? U equal to 20. You all know, dear student, if you can collect the information of last lecture. As I told you, as per the Cartesian sign rule, you can never be positive because object is always kept to the left side of the mirror. So object distance, dear student, we will always take as negative. Because it is convex mirror, focal length is always positive, that we discussed. Okay, let us substitute the values. 1 upon minus 20 plus 1 upon v equals 2. What is radius focal length? 15. Okay, next step I will continue there. I will transfer minus 1 upon 20 on this side. So we get this way, dear student. Therefore, 1 upon v equals to 1 upon 15. You transfer that, it becomes positive 1 upon 20. Let us take LCM of 15 and 20. That is 60. 15 4 ja, 23 ja. Understand? So we got 7 upon 60. Okay. Is it clear? Therefore, 1 upon v equals to 7 upon 60. So dear student, v equal to 60 upon 7. Okay. This is what we got, the value of v. If you just want to convert it into decimal, you can do it like 7 8 56 for left 0.0, 7 5 35. Okay, again 7 8 56 for left for 0, again 5 left 7 7. This is enough. Okay, 8.57. But dear student, one thing is clear in your mind here. V you got positive. You understood the meaning of this. Try to memorize the fact I have explained in my previous lecture. Moment you get V negative, word which needs to struck your mind are left, real, inverted. Moment you get V positive, some word has to struck your mind. They are which words? The right, virtual and erect. Okay, dear students. So what you can answer from here? Okay, this is your first answer. Image is obtained. Okay, where image is obtained? Image is obtained at a distance of, you have to write this way, at a distance of 8.57 centimeter to the right side of mirror. Okay, to the right of mirror. That way also you can write. Image is obtained at a distance of 8.57 centimeter to the right of the mirror, and when you say that image is obtained on the right side of the mirror, two another word are coordinated with this, that you have to mention. It is virtual and erect. Okay, it is virtual and erect. So just now we have given so far idea about image distance, which is 8.57 centimeter behind the mirror, means to the right side of the mirror. Okay, it is virtual and erect. Dear student, one another word which I haven't utilized in my last lecture. When you are speaking that image is obtained to the left, you can say in front of mirror. Okay, front or left are similar meaning conveying words here. in case of mirror. When you say image is obtained on the right side, you can say behind the mirror. Both are equal, okay? So image is virtual and erect. So this is about this. Now dear student, our target is to find image height also, and for that purpose we first will be looking for magnification minus v upon u. Let me substitute the values. Where is v? We just found out, but rather than utilizing this value, because v value and then u, what is the value of u? Minus 20. Let us continue with this also, dear student. It will be okay. Minus 8.57 upon u, that is minus 20. Understand? So what is going to happen? Minus minus plus. To get the value of magnification, 20 is here, so you can multiply into 5. Understand? With numerator and denominator, this is 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja plus 28, 2 carry 5 8 ja, that is 42.85 upon 100. Let us shift the decimal this way, okay? So 0 point, okay, 2 places of decimal to be shifted, 0.4285. This is the value of magnification we got. After you get value of magnification, which is 0.4285, now our target is to get image height, and for that purpose you will again write m equal to h dash upon h. What is the value of m? 0.4285 equal to h dash upon h. What is that? 5. You just need to multiply 5 5 ja 25, 2 5 ja 4 plus 2 4 ja 10 plus 4 14, 1 5 4 ja 20 but 21, okay? So what you got here? This is what? Just by multiplication you got this. Understand? 0.4285 into 5 you have done, and this is what we got, okay? Decimal shifting, as you know, this is h dash. Now remember, dear student, one very important thing. Sorry, 5 5 is 25, 2 42, 4 14, 1 21. Sorry, 2.1425. So we got, dear student, h dash equal to 2.1425 centimeter. Okay, so what is going to happen? At last you will write your answer this way. Therefore, height of image is 2.1425 centimeter. Understood? So dear student, if you just verify the example and calculation done here properly, what you will assess out and what you really come to know regarding this. The very first and important thing, dear student, whenever you are given radius of curvature, you have to find focal length. That is first. Second thing, when you get value of V positive, that means image is obtained always to the right of the mirror. I coined another word here also. Instead of right of mirror, you can utilize this word, dear student, behind the mirror. It's all okay. Both words actually conveys the same meaning. And because V is positive, you can say image is virtual and erect and obtained on behind the mirror. Then we found out m magnification minus v upon u. Substitute the value and find the height of the image. Now dear student, what I am questioning is that you all have studied image formation, okay? You all have studied image formation. Now in image formation, if you can remember, as far as convex mirror is concerned, convex I am speaking, we are able to get only two type of image if you can remember. First, virtual, erect and highly diminished point like you can remember. Second, virtual, erect and smaller. So dear student, can you verify one important fact here? This was the object height and this is the image height. Can you compare? Object height is 5 centimeter, image height is just 2 around centimeter. That means the image is virtual, erect and smaller. You can sometimes, suppose it happened that suppose some unexpected question asked in board exam which you come across for the first time and you have never solved such example any time. So it may happen, dear student. These are some of the clue points I must share with you. As far as convex mirror is concerned, F always positive, V you will always get positive, M you will always get positive, H dash you will always get positive. This has to be extremely clear in your mind. What I spoke, those array of the words needs to remain in your mind. Convex mirror, you can speak it out. Convex, focal length positive, V positive, M positive, H dash positive, all you will get positive. Understand? Because convex mirror only forms one type of image, that is virtual, erect and smaller, or virtual, erect and diminished. Understand? One more thing, dear student, one another clue point. If you stop in exam, either you are going in correct way or not, always remember one thing, that whenever you deal with any example of convex mirror, the value of m you will get not only positive but always less than 1. Mind this very well. Why? So that we will discuss just now when we will discuss some of the MCQs. Always m will be positive and less than 1 because image is going to be smaller always. Understand? So that's why value of magnification you will always get less than 1 and positive. This can be the one-liner or MCQ. Value of magnification for convex mirror is word. Remember which two words? Always positive, less than 1. Make it very clear in your mind. What I spoke, well, please just make a note of this. Understand beside this sum that for convex mirror, value of magnification is, you need to make a note of this. Understand, value of magnification is always positive and less than 1. Positive means image is virtual, erect, and less than 1 means always smaller, dear student. Understand? We will discuss about some of the how to guess the nature of image from the value of magnification in later half of this lecture. Okay, so this is clear in your mind. Okay, next numerical let us take. One numerical, dear student, I have taken from numeral assignment given to you, and another numerical we are taking directly from material. Okay, that rear view mirror, that let us solve. Okay, first you just open your material. Okay, not numerical assignment, just the chapter material given to you, right? And on page number, that's on page number 134. If you can just come to that page and remember that numerical, what is given. Let us solve that also. One thing is clear in your mind, that in convex mirror, focal length always positive, V always positive, M always positive, H dash always positive. Let us verify this particular example first. What is given? A convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. If a bus is located 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. What is given in data? One is radius of curvature is given to you. We are actually solving an example from page 133. I am just mentioning here, dear student, from page 133. Okay, from page 133 we are solving this particular example. What has been given? Bus is standing at a distance of 5 meter, but the radius of curvature of the mirror has been already given 3 meter. Okay, so two data we have, rest of the data we do not have. Okay, one is object distance you have, and one that is radius of curvature you have. The first, dear student, as we do in all example, what you will write? As per given data. This is compulsory for you to write. What is given, dear student? Radius of curvature. What is radius of curvature? Symbolized at H. R, it is given 3 meter. Okay, 3 meter. What is given? Object distance is also given. Object distance, that is U. What is object distance? 5 meters. Should I take it negative or positive? Always negative, dear student. No, it is unquestionable in case of any mirror. Okay, what you are looking for now? Image distance. Image distance you don't know, you need to find. So V equal to question mark. At the same time you are also looking for image height also, that is H dash question mark. Okay, this is the given data, dear student. Okay, rest of the data is this is the data given to us. Let us try to solve this example. Because, dear student, it is a convex mirror, rear view mirror, you all know that focal length is always positive, but let us find it from radius of curvature. What is radius of curvature? 3. So 3 upon 2, that is 1.5 meter. Okay. First, the analysis of the data. What is given and what is not given, and what is you are looking for. That analysis of data has to be first. Radius of curvature given 3 meter. Object distance, bus is resting behind you at a distance of 5 meters. So u minus 5 meter. Image distance you are looking for. Focal length and radius of curvature as per the relation are equal to 2f. We got f. Now let us continue. Okay. As per mirror formula, let us write the mirror formula. 1 upon u plus 1 upon v equals to 1 upon f. Okay. 1 upon u plus 1 upon v equals to 1 upon f. Let us substitute the values. 1 upon, what is u? It is resting at a distance of how much? 5 meter, you all know. Okay. So first you need to substitute the values correctly. What is object distance u? The object distance u, bus is resting, understand, at 5 meters. So let me write here 1 upon minus 5. V our target. 1 upon f. What is the focal length? 1.5. Let us do the next step. Transfer this on that side. 1 upon v equals to 1 upon 1.5 plus 1 upon 5. I will continue here, dear student, taking LCM. Let me remove the decimal from here. So what it is going to happen? 1 upon v equals to 10 upon 15 plus 1 upon 5. Is it clear? I just remove the decimal. Let us take LCM now. What is the LCM of 15 and 5? 15. 15 1 ja, so 1 10 ja 10. 5 3 ja, so we got 13 upon 15. Because 1 upon v equal to 13 upon 15, v equal to 15 upon 13, just you do the cancellation. Here what happens, that the it has been directly mentioned here, but you can verify this way. 13 1 ja 13. Okay, to left 0, 13 1 ja 13. Okay, again see 13 1 ja 13, to left 20, 7 left 7 0. Understand, the 13 5 ja 65. So this is your value of v. Okay, meter. Value of v you got positive. That means you will write your first answer. Image is obtained at 1.15 meter to the right, or I have coined another word, behind the mirror. Okay. In case of convex mirror, many things needs to be very clear in your mind. V will never be negative, M will never be negative, H dash will never be negative. So here we got 1.15. So image is obtained to the right of the mirror, that means behind the mirror. Okay, and because V is positive, what you will write about the image? It is virtual and erect. Okay, now dear student, let us find, after finding this, nature we know virtual and erect. Okay, image distance you know 1.15 meter behind the mirror. Now let us look for magnification. Okay, m equal to, you know, it has been given there, m equal to h dash upon h. Okay, now see dear student, when you write this formula h dash upon h, you do not have h dash, you do not have h. So let us take the next formula, minus v upon u. What is v? You all know, minus 1.15. What is u? You all know, minus 5. Minus minus plus, if you just cancel, 5 2 ja and 3 ja, 0.23. That means, dear student, make one thing clear. When they are talking of size, understand what is the value of magnification you got? Again positive 0.23 less than 1, which I have reminded you. You can say, dear student, rather than finding image height, you should mention the height of the image. Height of the image is of factor, okay, 0.23 compared to object. Compared to object, that means, dear student, some of the points I want to make very clear in your mind. What does all this factor mean? See, f positive always, dear student, then v you will get positive, m you will get positive, and here what does it mean by this particular number, which is, again and again I am telling you, which is less than 1. What does it mean? That the image is smaller. Understand? So whatever the height of the bus may be, but when it approaches behind you and just 5 meter away from you, the image of the bus look 0.23 times smaller than the real image. Okay, dear student. So this numerical we have solved. Okay, so clearly one thing is clear in your mind, as far as convex mirror is concerned, f positive, v positive, m positive, h dash positive. As far as concave mirror is concerned, f negative, that you all know, v can be negative or positive, m can be negative or positive, m can be less than 1 or greater than 1, because by concave mirror you are obtaining how many type of image? Real, inverted smaller, real inverted same size, real inverted larger, understand, real inverted highly magnified, virtual erect highly magnified. So in case of concave mirror, value of m can be negative, can be positive, can be less than 1, can be greater than 1. Okay, we are assessing out this fact very clearly after this numerical, dear student. But for convex mirror, this has to be very clear in your mind. What? F negative, f positive V positive, M positive, H dash positive. In case of concave mirror, F negative, V can be positive or negative. At the same time, M can be negative or positive. H dash can be negative or positive. These are some of the fact needs to be very clear in your mind. I am just writing it, dear student. Concave mirror. Concave mirror. And I am writing here for convex mirror. Make a special note of this. For concave mirror, F negative, F positive. For concave mirror, V can be negative, V can be positive. For convex mirror, V is always positive. For concave mirror, M can be negative, N can be positive, can be less than 1, can be greater than 1. For here, M always positive and less than 1. Remember, dear student, H dash can be negative, can be positive. Remember this image height we are talking here. Can be less than 1, can be greater than 1. Here H dash is always positive and always less than 1. These are some of the important notions needs to remain in your mind forever, dear student. Understand? Because lots of MCQ can be designed from this. You make a note of this. Try to just involve your brain in this and try to analyze this very important fact. Concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay. Now, dear students, some of the MCQ. I will not discuss MCQ from numerical assignment, but I must mention few value of magnification. Understand and let us discuss. See, I am writing M equal to plus 2.5. M equal to minus 1.3. Third, M equal to minus, here point, minus 0.02. 4. M equal to plus 0.06. Now, dear student, and one more thing, let me write it. M equal to plus 1. M equal to minus 1. First you list out all these values of M and let us try to get conceptually the idea regarding nature of the image just from the value of magnification. First you list it out. I have written 6 values of magnification here. M plus 2.5 minus 1.3 minus 0.02 plus 0.06 plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. First you write, dear student, and then let me clear your mind regarding one thing. See, always remember one thing. Magnification negative means image is real and inverted. Fix this word in your mind. Magnification positive, that means image is virtual and erect. Okay. Now, dear student, guess. Can you guess the type of image from here? What is magnification given? Plus 2.5. Plus means virtual and erect, but this is greater than 1, 2.5. So, can you guess the type of image from this? Virtual, erect, and larger than the object, this one. M equal to minus 1.3 negative, what you will say? Real and inverted, but this is again greater than 1. So real, inverted and larger here. Real, inverted and smaller because less than 1 here. Plus, that means virtual, erect and smaller, less than 1 here. Plus 1, not less than 1, not more than 1. Exactly 1, that means you will write virtual, erect and of same size. Minus 1, real, inverted and of same size. Such MCQ I have given in your numerical assignment, which I am also giving to you today in homework. Okay, this is clear in your mind. First, what I spoke, whenever in any MCQ you see the value of magnification, it has to click in your mind. M positive, virtual, erect. M negative, real, inverted. Then depends on numerical value. Understand, if it is greater than 1, larger image. 1, same size. Less than 1, smaller image. Understand? Clear in your mind? Always remember this fact very, very clearly. Understood? Right? Again, just have a quick look at this. M positive, virtual, erect. M negative, speak. Real, inverted. Value of M 1, image of same size. Value of M greater than 1, image is larger. Value of M less than 1, image is smaller. This is the way, dear student, you need to analyze the fact and you need to just twist your brain between this, and you will come to know that how you can yourself design MCQs. Understand? It happens sometime, dear student, whenever I sit to set your WRTs. Understand, I am not always with book. So sometime I am just asking the MCQs, understand, from the teaching, from the classroom teaching we have done, and various phenomena, various facts we have discussed in the classroom. So you be your teacher. Try to write the data. Try to gather the MCQs by yourself and try to analyze your brain and try to answer. Understand, dear student? Okay. Now, what you have to do? Today's lecture, dear student, was the last one, lecture number 6, for discussing reflection of light. That's over now. Then in the next lecture, we will discuss about refraction of light. Okay. Now, what is homework for today's lecture? I am writing it here. Homework from today's lecture from numerical assignment, dear student, you have to solve example number 6 to 14. Okay. Example number 6 to 14. Understand that these examples you will solve. This is your homework for today's lecture. So concentrate, dear student, with this. We are completing the half of the chapter. That's the topic of reflection and related phenomenon and related MCQ and numerical we have discussed. Assignment which is sent to you, understand, is important. There some most of the example from textbook are there, and few more example for practice are already been given in material. Okay, dear students, so practice it thoroughly. Okay, thank you very much.